Hello my lovely subscribers, welcome in today's video. And today we're going to have a simple exercise. Lero tugenda kulaba ebibuuzo. Okay? So in this exercise, we're going to complete the sentences correctly. Once again, you're going to complete the sentences correctly. Mu Luganda, juzaamu emboozi zino bulungi. So you follow the instructions, you follow the words in the brackets, and you change them correctly to fill out these blank spaces. Ogenda kukwata bino ebigambo ebirimu bu box obikyuse bulungi ng'emboozi we zirina okuba. Are we together? Okay, let's do it together. Number 1, don't forget you can pause the video and you first fill out the answers, then eventually you play back and see the correct answers. Are we together? So pause the video. This book is dash. This book is dash. And in brackets, we have me. Once again, this book is dash. And we have me in brackets. And what's the answer there? Good. This book is mine, of course. So the answer here is going to be mine, which is M-I-N-E. So me will change to mine. Remember, we looked at possessive pronouns in the previous video for channel members. So here we're going to fill out with mine. Mine in Luganda kigenda kuba ki? This book is mine. Good in English. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba ki? Good. Ekitabo kino. So nina inze. Ekitabo kino kyange. Good. Kyange. Kyange. Ekitabo kino kyange. It's mine. So ekitabo kino kyange. Are we together? Good. Number 2. The bag is dash. Good question. The bag is dash. In brackets we have you. I'm talking about you. So the bag is yours. Good. So you will change to yours. The bag is yours. Or some people say yours. The bag is yours. Are we together? Good. Ensawo dash mu Luganda. Gwe. So imba njogera ku gwe nti ensawo ngenda gamba ensawo yiyo. Good. Ensawo yiyo. Ensawo yiyo. Ensawo yiyo. The bag is yours. Are we together? So the bag is yours in English. Mu Luganda kigenda kubeera ensawo yiyo, because I'm talking about you. Good. Number 3. The red car belongs to dash. Once again, the red car belongs to dash. In brackets we have mine. How does mine change accordingly? So the red car belongs to me. Of course, me is the answer. M and E. So the red car belongs to me, because here we've used belongs. We have to show the person belongs to who? Me. So the red car belongs to me. Emotoka emyufu mu Luganda. Emotoka emyufu dash. Emotoka emyufu yange, because of me. Yange. Good. Emotoka emyufu yange. Good. Number 4. These shoes are dash, not hers. In brackets we have our. Once again, these shoes are dash, comma, not hers. In brackets we have our. And what's the answer here? Good. These shoes are ours. Ours. O, U, R, and S. So these shoes are ours, not hers. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba engatto zino, these shoes, engatto zino dash sizize, not hers, sizize. So engatto zino we have fe. Engatto zino zaffe, because there are many. Zaffe. Engatto zino zaffe. Good. Engatto zino zaffe sizize. Are we together? These shoes are ours. Zaffe. not has. Sizize. So these shoes are ours, not hers. In Luganda, it's going to be engato zino zaffe, because you are involved. Sizize, not hers. Number 5, we have, is this notebook dash? In brackets, we have you. Once again, is this notebook dash? In brackets, we have you. So, is this notebook? What's the answer? Good. Yours. Is this notebook yours? Are we together? Y-O-U-R-S. Is this notebook yours? We say possessive pronouns are normally placed at the end. So, is this notebook yours? Are we together? And in Uganda, it's going to be notebook eno. This notebook. Notebook eno. We have kwe. Notebook eno. Gwe. Yo. Notebook eno yo. And a question mark. Notebook eno yo. Is this notebook yours? Notebook eno yo. Are we together? Good. Number 6, we have, this phone is dash. And in brackets, we have there. This phone is dash. There. What's the answer? Theirs. Good. This phone is theirs. This phone is theirs. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba essimu eno dash. Twina bo mu brackets. Essimu eno dash. Bo. Answer ichi. Essimu eno. You can send in your answers for this. And I have a look at them in the comment section. Essimu eno dash. In brackets you have bo. Good. And the last one, number 7. Is this seat dash? In brackets we have me. Once again. Is this seat dash? In brackets we have me. And what's the answer here? Good. Write it and I have a look at it in the comment section. Mu Luganda kigenda kuba ekifo kino seat. So there's a difference between this seat and C-I-T. S-I-T. This is sit is the action. Are we together? This is an action. Whereas S-E-A-T, this is the position or the location where you are going to sit. So this is the action and this is the location. So ekifo kino sit. Ekifo kino dash in brackets nina inze. Once again, ekifo kino answer ichi. Also take answer your comment section. Okay, so that is it in this video. How have you passed? You can mark yourself and see how far you've gone with possessive pronouns. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Whatever.